Hi. Are you gonna let me just grab you? Let me try that. Yeah, they're up on top of that stuff. You can hear it. Try to grab this one and see.
We probably need to close the trailer, otherwise,
Yeah,
they will come out.
probably.
Do you want me?
It's gonna be hot in there.
Yeah. Do you want me to stay and do anything? I mean, I can try to help however you want me to.
Let me just.
Here's me.
There's a brown one. We didn't see the brown one.
That's what I'm coming in
Hi,
there.
Kitten. I see you.
Oh,
Hi.
man.
Aw.
You see it?
Yeah.
We didn't see that one.
No, all I saw was a couple of gray ones.
Yeah, I'm gonna take off as soon as I come over. There you go. Okay. One. Two. That's what I was afraid of.
Yeah, that
These
one's
guys
mad.
are really terrified.
I wish we knew exactly how many.
1, 2, 3. Okay, we've got 3 so far.
Ready to pull this one out?
Yeah. More. Hi.
Hi.
You're definitely not very happy. Let me see. Stretching from this way. Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
There's a little calico one right here.
Okay.
Hi, buddy. I lost it. Okay. Because they were, that last one was banging around in there a lot. Oh boy. Yeah. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
I think that's it. And get out of this stuff that you've been living in.
Okay.
Hi. Hi, some kittens. I know. You guys are probably 8 weeks. Like definitely borderline feral rehabilitate.
Oh my God, Donna. One of them has her tongue out.
Is it panting?
No. Look at that little Richard.
Oh.
And then we'll get this in.
For so long. But how would they get food though? Well, I guess Mom was still going in there, but